black Swede, the son of Bob, with a saint at his chin and his sea eyes fob, shall not see one New Year's Day in that year. Then let old England make good cheer. Windsor and Bristol then shall be joined together in a low country. Then shall a tall black Daventry bird speak against peace, right many a word. And some shall admire his conning wit, for many good groats his tongue shall slit. But spite of the harpy that crawls on all four, there shall be peace party and war no more. But England must cry alap and well a day, if the stick be taken from the Dead Sea. And dear England, if aught I understand, beware of carrots from Northumberland. Carrots sown thin a deep root may get, if so be they are in Somerset. Their cunning's more fell, for I have been told they are sassy when young and poison when old. Root out these carrots, O thou whose name is backwards and forwards always the same, and keep thee close to thee always that name which backwards and forwards is almost the same. And England, wouldst thou be happy still, burn those carrots under a hill.